Senedd Cymru, or the Welsh Parliament in English, is the democratically elected, devolved, unicameral legislature of Wales. It represents the interests of the people of Wales, makes laws for Wales, agrees certain taxes and scrutinises the Welsh Government. As a bilingual institution, both Welsh and English are the official languages of its business. From its creation in 1999 until May 2020, the Senedd was known as the National Assembly for Wales. The Senedd comprises 60 members who are known as members of the Senedd, abbreviated as MS. Since 2011, members are elected for a 5-year term of office under an additional member system, in which 40 MS represent smaller geographical divisions known as constituencies and are elected by first-past-the-post voting, and 20 MS represent 5 electoral regions using the DONT method of proportional representation. Typically, the largest party in the Senedd forms the Welsh Government. A National Assembly for Wales was created by the Government of Wales Act 1998 upon the result of the 1997 referendum. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.